GOPPIS can be used for various environmental conservation applications, such as biodiversity monitoring, land use planning, natural resource management, and climate change adaptation. Here's how the GOPPIS tool can be used for environmental conservation in detail: 1. Biodiversity monitoring. The GOPPIS tool can be used to monitor and track changes in biodiversity within a community. Community members can use the tool to report sightings of plant and animal species, as well as habitat quality and conservation status. The data is collected and visualized on a map in real time, allowing conservationists to identify hotspots of biodiversity, prioritize conservation efforts, and monitor the effectiveness of conservation interventions. 2. Land use planning. The GOPPIS tool can be used to plan and manage land use in a way that minimizes environmental impacts and promotes sustainability. Community members can use the tool to map land use patterns, identify areas of ecological significance, and assess the potential impacts of development projects. The data can be analyzed to inform land use decisions, such as zoning, conservation easements, and land acquisition, and to promote sustainable practices, such as agroforestry, green infrastructure, and conservation farming. 3. Natural resource management. The GOPPIS tool can be used to manage natural resources, such as forests, water, and wildlife, in a way that balances human needs with environmental protection. Community members can use the tool to map resource use patterns, assess resource availability and quality, and identify potential conflicts and trade-offs. The data can be analyzed to inform resource management decisions, such as sustainable harvesting, habitat restoration, and watershed protection, and to promote community-based natural resource management practices that build resilience and equity. 4. Climate change adaptation. The GOPPIS tool can be used to adapt to the impacts of climate change, such as sea level rise, drought, and extreme weather events, in a way that reduces vulnerability and enhances resilience. Community members can use the tool to map climate change risks and impacts, assess adaptive capacity and potential, and identify priority areas and actions. The data can be analyzed to inform climate adaptation decisions, such as green infrastructure development, disaster risk reduction, and community-based adaptation.